Hello everyone, in today's video we will fix the black screen. A screen would not turn on Nintendo Switch 2. So here is how you can easily fix. Step 1 is to perform a hard reset. So to perform a hard reset, you can simple power off the console by long pressing the power button. Keep holding it until the device will completely shut down. After that, once the device will completely shut down, simple remove your hands from it. And then after, you can wait for 1 or 2 minutes and then press the power button once to turn on the device. It will clear the temporary software glitches that may cause a black screen. If the console does not respond, ensure it's not in sleep mode or overheated. Next step, charge the console. So use the Nintendo Switch to AC adapter, plug directly into the console and a wall outlet. And now leave it for 30 minutes minimum. And then you will uh, and then you can check the green light appears on the screen. Okay, because sometimes when the battery is completely drained, it will take some time, or many times it will take a half or 1 hour to showcase the battery is charging. Next step, verify the AC adapter. So inspect the official Nintendo AC adapter. Okay, because once you are using the third party adapters, they will not provide enough power to charge the device. So always use the official Nintendo branding Nintendo AC adapter that comes with the box. Also, you can use the official Nintendo cable. On the cable, you will see Nintendo branding. Okay? Because this is the cable that are able to supply enough power to charge the device. The next step is to you can simple update the system into a maintenance mode. So firstly, you can power off your device. Simple turns off, or if your screen is already turns off, then after you can long pressing the volume buttons together. Then after press the power button and keep holding the volume button until the maintenance mode will be turned on. So long pressing the volume button, then press the power once. Keep holding it until the maintenance mode will be turned on. Okay? Hold both the volume buttons together. And now here you can simple perform a system update. So these are the steps that can help you to fix. Okay? Goodbye.